In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency setting on Kucoin. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started in the world of cryptocurrency, being able to manage your account settings efficiently will enhance your trading experience. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is straightforward and easy to follow. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and visit the official Kucoin website. This is where you'll begin your journey of altering your currency settings. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button on the upper right-hand side of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up and verify your account to proceed. After you've logged in, you should find yourself back on the Kucoin homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site if you're new. This will help you navigate more effectively. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There's a drop-down menu icon that might not be immediately visible if you haven't used it before, so keep an eye out for it. Hover over or click this icon, and you'll see a drop-down list appear. From this list, look for the currency option. Sometimes you might wonder why changing your currency can be valuable. It really comes down to making sure that you can view your balances, trades, and investments in a format that's familiar and intuitive to you. So once you've found currency, go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll see a list of available currencies that Kucoin supports. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Maybe you're a global trader who prefers using USD, or perhaps you see closer familiarity with your local currency like EUR, GBP, or any other option that Kucoin has made available. Once you've selected the currency you prefer, your account settings will update to reflect this choice. From here on out, your balances, trading pair prices, and any financial information will be shown in your chosen currency, helping you maintain consistency and familiarity when you manage your account. Remember, you can always change this setting again in the future if your needs change, or if you just want to explore how things look in a different currency. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your currency on Kucoin, ensuring your trading experience is aligned with your preferences. Keep exploring and happy trading.